Use the cheap power. Gang. Oh shit. My man, we crazy.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirtnation Off-Road. So today we got a trail review. As you can see, we're all covered up. I got the belt gloves on because it's cold as hell. But we're out near, up in the San Bernardino National Forest, or whatever you want to call it. We're doing a Pilot Rock truck trail. We're reviewing that today. As you can see in the background, we got Carlos with 420 Motors is with us. And then we also have Hector. He's got the Diesel ZR2. So really awesome that these guys come out with us. So like I said, enjoy the video. We'll check back in. So we pretty much climbed the mountain. Quick check-in. So as you see, like through the road, there is quite a few ruts, like kind of like this deal here, with the water stream kind of going through there during the rain and all stuff. There's also a lot of black ice and quite a few rocks. You see some that like tumble down the mountain, so a couple things to crawl through, but other than that, it's not too bad. You can get through here two-wheel drive if you have to. Just gotta be careful with like, stuff like black ice and really loose mud, but other than that, we're gonna roll some beauty shots right now. You guys enjoy that.
So my man Dustin's about to try to attempt to go up this crazy looking mountain thing. After it being washed out, it kind of looks all beat up, so it should be a little bit tough, but it was very doable. We're gonna see if Dustin can manage it. Turn the wheel this way now. Yeet! Yeet! Got it! Got it! Oh shit! Why'd you stop? Keep going! Damn! Wait, right there! Damn! Damn! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh shit is right! Oh shit! Don't move! That is sick! Just go straight. Just slow. Gun it! Go, 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 go! Fuck! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! My man, we crazy! You didn't turn, fool! Turn, 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 turn! Yes. My way. Go, 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 go.
Give me a fucking high five, my God!
Fuck yeah!
Let's get it!
Go, go, go. Just straight now. Woo! My man almost died. He almost died. Chano almost died right there.
Look, Jeep guys, I know it's not that intense, but I drive a Taco lifted. That was crazy.
And now go left.
How to go up here?
Yeah. Go all the way left, left, left. Yeah. Keep going, man.
Just follow my tire tracks. Start turning right. There you go. Just come forward. Little right, little right. There you go. You know, to hell with your front lockers. That was a little too easy for you guys. Well, Carlos just pooped on my party with his front lockers because I struggled quite a bit more with that. Full send.
So as we go up the road, we found a tree down, so we're gonna move it out the way just so we can get by. There's a pretty nasty wash here too. Oh shit, it's nastier than I thought.
Get the straps.
So we're gonna have to go through that a little bit.
Look at George in the driver's chair for the first time on Dirtnation.
Teach him what's up.
All right, start pulling back slowly. Yeah, pull back slowly. Yeah, you got it now. So start going back. There we go.
There it comes.
Dude, that's perfect.
You still got room.
Perfect.
That's good enough.
That's perfect. Good stuff.
That's why I'm driving now, bro.
Gang. Gang.
Tree moving services, call us.
We got George's car moving business, and then we got 420 landscaping, assisted by Hector. Oh, why the Mexican? We got you covered.
Here, guys.
Dustin's playing tug of war with the tree.
Oh.
Shit, big boy gang.
Gang.
You alright? Yeah.
Dustin's trying to blow his back out. His blackout.
Do, bro, blow the back out.
We got wood like this. Something's gonna blow up.
All right, what's your plan now?
Oh, he's flexing. We're gonna try to get it over flexing.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at that.
Carlos trying to kill me.
My bad. Oh, shit.
I'm fucking around.
Oh shit!
Yes! Yes!
He's got both.
Both of them are on too.
Yes!
That's why you don't wear the Nikes, homie.
George coming in.
What happened? Oh, you thought I was gonna give you a hand. My bad. I wanted to get you on camera.
I got it.
You good?
Yeah. I did that for the views. I didn't. That wasn't meant to be.
Cool. I got my intro. Thanks, man.
Ah! Bunch of savages. Oh shit!
You alright?
I like knocked the wind out of me.
Oh shit. Off the back.
My man, this is.
Those iron abs crabs right here.
Those fucking egg McMuffins, nigga.
Those muffins coming in.
That's over it already.
It's this branch over here, no?
Hey, Ma, ready?
Watch the ditch. Watch the ditch.
One more, no?
Use it. Use the cheap power, Dustin.
You good? No, we need more. Yeah. One.
That should be good. That should be good. 420 landscaping.
Con huevos.
Con huevos.
Fuck crawling.
Good shit, squad.
Gang.
Gang.
Gang, gang.
Right in the hole. Really, Dustin?
Yeah, you're stuck. You're not going anywhere. You have to go back now. Get the scratch.
All right, everyone comment F in the comments below, because we took all that time moving that tree out of the way, doing a service, trying to clear the trail, and then I still fell in the hole. Bop! What the heck, Dustin? Carlos is gonna pull me out. Have fun.
My man's. We clear so much debris out of the way, and he decides to fall in the ditch anyways. Good job, Dustin.
When you see a hole, send it.
Carlos gonna put him out.
Wait, no.
Tell me when I'm out.
Wait. You're in the hole now, fool.
Can I come forward?
Hey, move forward.
The wing. No, you're digging.
2019 was supposed to be about no L's, Dustin.
God put the chief there for a reason.
We only take L's when I'm with Carlos.
Keep going.
Good.
You're good?
Stop.
No, keep going.
A little more.
All right.
Good, perfect.
Stop.
Perfect. Good.
Straighten it out.
Hold on, Carlos, hold on. Go.
Gas it.
Straighten out.
Straighten out. There,
Stop. Perfect.
You fucking made it.
No que no.
A huevo.
Look at his face. Ah!
Hey, how much shit you got in your pants right now?
All the shit in my pants right now.
You got it?
You good?
Hey, go ahead and go that way now.
Well, you have to. Yeah, get the strap off. You know, I only break stuff when Carlos is with me.
Okay, turn a little bit. There you go. Perfect. You're in. Okay, slow, homie.
Bye.
Alright guys, so that's a wrap on our trail review of Pilot Rock Truck Trail. Now, like I said, pretty good trail. I enjoyed it. Now, there's a couple obstacles throughout the day. You know, me getting stuck, you know, almost flipping over, all that good fun stuff. But no complete L's. I had a good time. George, I think you had a good time, right?
Yeah, we definitely had a good time. Just one thing though, if you ever come out here, don't come by yourself, not after rain, because everything changes. It's a completely different trail. You gotta be safe, so make sure you have somebody with you. Other than that, yeah, it's fun. We didn't break anything, so it's all good.
Good stuff. So make sure to subscribe to Dirtnation Off-Road on Instagram and YouTube. I'll put the links below, as well as I'll link Carlos and 420 Motors, so their video as well. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you again next time.